At the end of this video, I am going to tell you which is the favorite book for me. So, my name is Deepak Deshmukh, and today I am talking about English speaking practice. Okay, so most of the people they have done any course about English, spoken English classes. Okay, and but they can't use this vocabulary in their daily communication, and that is the cause because they at lack of at speaking English. Ask one question for yourself: what's stopping you to speak in English? Maybe it may be uh, fear of um, unvocabulary, fear of when I will in speaking in English I will stuck, and what will people say about me? That type of reasons we already have. But what we can do that we can feel the fear and fight with the fear. So my teacher used to tell me that practice, practice, and more practice makes man perfect. So here is the key to speak in English, that is practice. Without practice, you can't get more fluency in English. So most of the people they can read English, they can understand English, they can uh, write English also, but they afraid to speak in English with business candidates, family members, friends, because of their lack of practice. Yes. So here I want to give you two tips for speaking practice. You can use English books for speaking practice. You can read loudly English books like Think and Grow Rich, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, that you can read. And one more thing is here, most of the student they learning English because of only giving interview. That's not gonna happen. For only interview you can you are going to learn English. It's okay, but putting that knowledge in your daily communication, you can use English speaking apps, Talk English, Speak English app on Play Store. You can install it and you can use it on the daily basis. Give 1 hour a day, every single day, for only English communication practice. That will help you a lot because of consistency is the key element of success. Okay, speaking is important. So um, most of the people ask the common question, that is we don't have any friend to speak with that person within English. So firstly, search that people who want to learn English like you, and make a group, make a team, and it will increase your knowledge and practice new vocabulary. You can give new vocabulary to them, and they can also give you new vocabulary to you. Make a WhatsApp group, and in that group you can send daily messages in English. You can have English communication, conversation with your friends. So here is one point you can get, that make a around yourself winners, that people want to learn English like you. And English is very simple language. And one thing is important, that is listening carefully. If you have that skill, listening very carefully, you will be can learn English very fastly, because of who that person listen carefully, that person can speak very effectively. Listening is important. How can they people start their conversation, uh, how they make structure of sentence, that is very important. While reading books, how author started paragraph, what is the structure of sentences, how they explaining the paragraph, how they explaining the story, that is very important. Some there are phrases to speak in English, that is very important. And learning English, it's a very great decision for today's youth. And you can see around you everything going on online. And international language is English, and online all that Google, and most of the knowledge, I can say that, in English. So learn English. How it may be possible to you, I don't know, but you have now Android mobiles. That is great opportunity for us to learn English. There are some free courses also on uh, Google India Skill for from government. And lastly, wait a minute, wait a 2 minute, please. And lastly, I want to tell you my favorite book. That is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. You can see here Eckhart Tolle, because of this is a guide to spiritual enlightenment. And as you know that I am also spiritual. I believe in God, and a spiritual. I like spirituality. I like to give 100% in every moment. And Eckhart Tolle says that everything's happens at now. Focus on now. There is no need to see time or make excuses for success. Okay. And here one quote is there. You are here to enable the divine purpose of the universe to unfold. That is how important you are. That means you are so important. And I like this book. The here you can see um, question answer type book is that. And I really like that book. And I every day I read 5 to 10 pages of that of this book. And also I have another books like Think and Grow Rich, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, How to Win Friends and Influence People. I read these books in this lockdown. So thank you for watching this video, and I will be come with new video. Thank you.